Hello, good morning. So, have you done your lesson 1 already? So, lesson 1 we have covered try it 11 and try it 12, and we are going into exercise 2.5, and I've asked you guys to try question 1, question 2, 3 and 5. And today's lesson 2, I will discuss with you question number 1, 2, 3 and 5, these 4 questions, right? Okay, so page 52 to 53, question number 1. I start off with question number 1. I hope you guys already copied the question and try it out. If you haven't tried out, you can pause this video and try it out yourself. Or if you don't understand this question, I will discuss with you now together. Alright? Alright. So the number 1, the price of a watch is $50 more than twice the price of a gold ring. Okay, so we know that this watch is $50 more than twice the price of the ring. It means that this price of this watch is more expensive than the ring. Okay, so $50 more than twice. Twice means two times the price of the gold ring, right? So let the price of the ring be X dollar. So this price is X. The price of the ring is X dollar. A. Express the price of the watch in terms of X. Okay, so part A, the price of the ring will be X, and then the watch will be $50. Okay, I repeat again from the question, $50 more than twice the price of the gold ring. So it means that $50 plus more than, it means plus twice, so 2 times of the price of the ring. So the price of the watch is 50 plus 2 times X. Okay, so more than is plus, twice is 2 times, right? Okay, part B, if the price of the watch is $208, so the price of this watch is $208. It's quite expensive, huh? Find the price of the ring. Okay, so we already have the expression of the price of the watch, which is 50 plus 2x, and the price is 208. Okay, so it means that this 50 plus 2x is equals to $208. So let's find out the x, because we need to find out the price of the ring. So the price of the ring is x. Okay, so we need to find the x through this algebra. So we move the 50 to the right side. So it's 208 minus 50. 2x equals to 208 minus 50 is 158. And then we move the 2 to the other side, become 158 divided by 2, which is 79. So since x is the price of the ring, so the price of the ring is equals to $79. Done. Okay, so the price of the ring is 79, the watch is $208. Okay, that's for question number 1. Okay, question number 2. Okay, if I'm too fast, you can pause the video and you can try out again number 1, or you can rewind again to listen to the explanation for question number 1. Question number 2. Every week, Rahim works 3 times as many hours as Jinlan. Let the number of hours Jinlan works in a week be X hour. So every week, Rahim works 3 times as many hours as Jinlan. So meaning to say that Rahim is more hardworking, right? Rahim works more than Jinlan. Okay, let the number of Jinlan works in a week be X hour. So Jinlan works X hours, and Rahim, which is more hardworking, works 3 times as many hours as Jinlan. So it means that 3 times as many, so 3 times X, which is 3x hours. Okay, A. Express the number of hours Rahim works in a week. So Rahim works X hour. Done. So this is the answer, 3x Okay, part B. If the total of working hours in a week is 56 hours, okay, so total number is 56. Find the number of hours Jinlang works in a week. Okay, so total number of working hours is 56. So meaning to say that the total number of Jinlan and Rahim, it will be X plus 3X is equals to 56 hours. Because of the total, that's why we plus, right? Find the number of hours Jinlan works. So Jinlan works X hour. So we need to find X through this algebra. X plus 3X is 4X equals to 56. So X, we move the 4 to the other side, become divide. And X equals to 14. Okay, so is the answer 14? They're asking for Jinlan. So Jinlan, yes, is 14 hours. How about Rahim? Rahim will work 3 times of Jinlan. So 3 times 14, that will be Rahim. But this question here, they're asking about Jinlan. So Jinlan works 14 hours. Done. Number 2. Okay, let's go to number 3. The sum of 3 consecutive even integers. Okay, let's recap back what is consecutive. Consecutive is a continuous number. For example, 1, 2, 3, or 5, 6, 7. Is 5, 8, 10 a jumping number here? Is a consecutive number? No, it's not. Okay, it's not a consecutive. But in this question, it says consecutive even. So consecutive even means continuous in even numbers. Okay, what is even number? Even number is 2, 4, 6 that can be divided by 2. Okay, 8, 10, these are even number. Alright, so continuous even number or consecutive even number is this. 2 to 4, 6, 8, 10 is continuous. Or you can start off with 8, 6, 8, 10, and so on. How about 2, 6, 8? Is this a consecutive even number? No, it's not, because you miss out the 4 here. Alright? It must be a continuous even number. It must be continue to the term in front. Okay? So it's a consecutive even. Okay, they are not asking you only consecutive, but it's consecutive even number. So to do this question, we don't know what is the first term. They only tell us that the sum of these 3 consecutive even number, even integers. Okay, integers is a whole number, right? So find the 3 integers. So the first term we don't know. We make it an unknown, okay, which is represented by X. So the next number will be X plus 2. And the next number will be X plus 4. Okay? Okay, like I said just now, if we start off with 2, the next consecutive even number will be 4. And the next number will be 6, consecutive even integer. So we can see that this first term is 2, the second term is the first number, the first term plus 2, which is equals to 4. And the third term will be the first number X, which is 2, plus 4. Okay, so what do you think the next number is? It will be the first number plus 6, right, which is 8. See, it plus 2 each number. So it means that it plus 2, plus 4, plus 6 for the from the first number. Okay, so X is the first term, second term will be X plus 2, and the third term is X plus 4. Okay, and the sum of these 3 consecutive even numbers is 66. So we add these 3 up and it will be equals to 66. Okay, so X plus 2 plus X plus 4 equals to 66. Okay, let's find out the first number first, alright? So X plus X is 3X plus 2 plus 4 is 6 equals to 66. So 3x equals to, move the 6 to the other side, become minus. It's 60. So x equals to, I move the 3 to the other side, become divide. So x is equals to 20. Okay, that's your first number. Okay, so what are the three integers? The first is 20, and your second one will be next even number, which is 22, and the next even number is 24. Okay, you can try add these three up. 20 plus 22 plus 24, it will be 66. Right, so the sum of these three consecutive even number is 66. So this is the answer. Okay, last question, number 5. Tom is twice as old as Arul. Okay, so who is older? Is it Tom or Arul? Yes, it's Tom. Okay, Tom is twice as old as Arul. So Tom is older than Arul. Okay, in 4 years' time, the sum of their ages will be 32 years. Find Arul's present age. Okay, so if present age is now, it means now. Okay, so we have Arul and Tom. If Tom is X, let it be X, unknown and unknown, because we don't know how old is Tom and Arul. Okay, we let Arul's age now is X, the present age. Okay, because we are finding Arul's present age. So if Arul is X age, X years old, then Tom will be twice of Arul's age, which is 2 times X. So Tom will be 2X, right? Okay, and then in 4 years' time, if in 4 years' time, they will be older 4 years plus 4, right? Your age now is 15. In 4 years' time, your age will be 15 plus 4, which is 19. If my age is, let's say, 18, in 4 years' time, my age will be 18 plus 4. So both of our age will increase 4. Okay, same goes to Arul and Tom. Okay, if Arul's age is X, so in 4 years' time, it will be X plus 4. And Tom, same, 4X plus 4. Okay, both plus 4, right? So in 4 years' time, the sum of the age, so these two, when you add up the sum, the total is 32. So when you add both of the age, it will be 32. So here we can write down in an algebraic form, X plus 4, and then you plus with Tom's age, 2X plus 4, and they are equals to 32. And we do our algebra here. Our equation here, which is X plus 2X, I will get 3X, and then 4 plus 4 is 8, is equals to 32. So 3X will be equals to 32 minus 8. 3X equals to 24. And X will be equals to 24 divided by 3, which is 8. So Arul's age now is 8. Okay, so Arul's age is 8 years old. If they ask about Tom, then Tom will be 8 times 2, which is 16 years old. Okay. Okay. We have. Okay, we have done this already. So we have done our question 1, question 2, question 3, and 5. Okay. So have you done yours already? Yes. Okay. So stay tuned to lesson 3. Lesson 3, we are going to cover try it 13, this one. Okay, we are going to cover up our try it 13 in our next video. Alright, Okay, so thank you guys. See you.